video, I'm going to be showing you what remainders are. So I'm going to be using my new Edding 360 whiteboard marker I got from Amazon. So first I'm going to write what is a remainder. And then I'll just highlight it in red like this. Okay, so what we get, so basically a remainder is basically one that it's basically like, say you had a division like 8 into 57, and how are you meant to do 8 times 7 is 56, so you put a 6 here, and then you put a little R sign. Wait, it's next to the 5, and then you do a little R. Oh wait, no, 7. Then you do a little R sign, and you do 1, because 8 times 7 is 56, plus 1 is 57. And 56 can't, and 7 times 8 will only go up to 56. Any higher than that, then you're beyond. So you have a remainder, and that's what a remainder is. So, yeah, so guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time with another amazing video. Bye guys!